Last week, Musalia Mudavadi addressed Kenyans as a nation. Why? Because he wants to introduce this constitutional amendment debate enye nimekuja kupeleka nayo. Now, Mudavadi claimed that apparently the 2027 elections will be nullified before it even begins. Why will that happen? Because ati, there's need for a constitutional review and amendment. Utaniuliza Dero, ni parts gani hizi important sana lazima ziamendiwe during elections? 1. They want to increase term limits for elected leaders. And lastly, wanataka kuintroduce new leadership positions, e.g. leader of opposition. In order for them to succeed, itabidi wamefanya kitu inaitwa referendum. Acha tuingie daro. A referendum is basically a general vote by the electorate on a political question that has been posed to us for a direct decision. And it's usually applied when someone or a group of people want to change something in the constitution. Let me take you through the process of attaining it. Saisi amecall for referendum. Itakuwa documented and presented to Kenyans. And here's the catch. The referendum can only be passed by simple majority. Conducted by IEBC. Tutaletewa referendum, which 1 million Kenyans will be required to participate. Hizi votes mtakuwa mmevote. If they meet the threshold of approval, then the draft bill will be passed to law. Ikifail pia, imefail polite like its predecessors, e.g. BBI na punguza mizigo. Fellow Kenyan, in layman's terms, hawa watu wanataka kuturob. They want to rob us our political freedom that the late Enigma fought for. We don't need a referendum at a time where we are supposed to be fixing our country. Na unajua mbona tunarudishwa nyuma? Because finally, Kenyans have started asking the correct questions. Let me enlighten you. Unacheki hii referendum? That's not even the agenda. Na wapima. They know that it won't work. This is just but a distraction so that you can sway your focus on the crucial things that are affecting us, e.g. the declining health sector. Sini last video tu nikiongelea Kenyatta. Civil servants are suffering. Education sector ndo hiyo. Wakubomolewa hata sijaongelea. Sai kila mtu amejam. 55% of Kenyans couldn't even afford to celebrate Christmas. Alafu nataka kuniambia ati majamaa fulani wanataka kujiongezea term limits. Ndo tuendelee kusafa mkikula poa. Haiwezi. We jua. I really hope that my fellow countrymen will wake up, see what's in front of them, and say no to this referendum. We have bigger fish to fry, and trust me, you won't distract us from it. Riposti vida ndo ifikie as many Kenyans as possible.